Hello, this is me, Guerrero Fan 1991 Productions here. We're going to take the tour at this crossing in Taylor's Road, Taylor, South Carolina. This crossing has a Norfolk Southern tag in the gates, which is newer, and a crossing lights, and a very old crossing lights, and the older gates, and the X sign. This crossing has a Griswold mechanical bell. This crossing has one track and the crossing gates. It's a stop sign. Today you're at Edward Street Railroad Crossing in Taylor, South Carolina. This crossing has a railroad crossing gate and the newest railroad crossing lights and the X and the Safetran mechanical bell. It has a Norfolk Southern tagline. It has a railroad crossing control box. It has a sign that says railroad crossing. It has a speed limit 35 sign. And a stop ahead. Thanks for watching. Please comment below.